Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all DLP 1 class. Okay, I am teacher Samsia. So today we will continue our lessons in mathematics. Today our topics is how to write number sentences for subtraction. Okay, I hope all of you are ready and ready to watch this video and to understand how to write number sentences for subtraction. Okay class, let me start our class now. Okay, here is the learning objective. What will we had our class here, our class today. Okay, by the end of these lessons, the pupils should be able to understand how to write number sentences of subtraction. And number 2, the pupils also should be able to complete the number sentences of subtraction in numbers, objects or in number line. Okay, now we look how to write number sentence of subtraction. Okay, now we have example number 1. Okay, there are a few of balance. Okay, before we start to write the number sentence, we must count all the balance here. Okay, kita kena kira dahulu bilangan balon yang ada termasuk balon yang telah kita cross ni. Okay, so let we start to count this balance. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write the 7 here. We put the number 7 here in the first box. Then we know this is the operation of subtraction, so we minus. Okay, minus mean we take away the other of objects here. Take away. So how many balance are take away? How many balance are crossed out? So we count the balance are crossed out. 1, 2, 3. So we put the number here 3. Number 3 here. So 7 minus 3 equals to, okay, how we can find the answer is 4 here. 4 here means how many balance are left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balance left. So the complete number sentence of this example is 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Okay, now we look to another example. So we have a few of balls here. Okay, first, remember we must count all the balls here. Okay, let's we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we write the number 15 here. 15 minus how many balls are crossed out? So count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we put the number 9 here. So 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 means there are 9 balls are taken or take away from the 15th ball here. So the balance of the balls are left is 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write the number 6 here. The answer for the complete number sentences is 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Okay, now look at another example. Okay, this also the example to show you how we can complete the number sentence of subtraction. Okay, when we look at the objects given, we know that when they are a symbol here means it is a take away, a taken. Okay. Okay, so before we start to complete these number sentences, we must count all the ice cream first. Kira semua dahulu ice cream yang ada. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ada 12 batang ice cream cone. Okay, so we write number 12 here. 12 minus how many ice creams are taken? 4. So we write number 4 here. 12 minus 4 equals to 8. 8 means how many ice cream are left? Berapa baki ice cream yang tinggal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here. Okay, 8 is the answer. Okay. Okay, now we look how to subtract the number sentence if the number are given to you. There is no objects, just a number like this. Okay, 16 minus 9 equals to 7. How we can got the answer 7? Okay, this is one of the step we can do to find the answer of this number sentences. The first one, we can subtract the numbers in count back order. Count back order means kita mengira nombor secara tertib menurun. Okay, tertib menurun ni maksudnya kita bahasa mudah dia, kita kira nombor secara terbalik lah. Dari nombor yang besar kepada nombor yang kecil. Nampak tak? Daripada nombor yang banyak kepada nombor yang sedikit. Okay, macam mana nak kira? Okay, tengok sini. 16 minus 9. Okay, kita tak mula daripada 16. Kita count back start daripada 15. Okay, bila kita count back, kita akan, sampai mana kita nak count back, kita akan berhenti sampai dekat number 9. Okay, sebab kita nak minus sebanyak 9. So, kita akan count back lah. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 here. Okay, we stop at number 9 and count how many numbers we step. Ada berapa kali nombor yang kita dah lalu. Okay, start daripada 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kita telah lalu sebanyak 7 nombor. Jadi, so 7 is the answer here. Kita tuliskan 7 di sini. Okay? Okay, teacher harap kamu boleh faham yang ini, how to subtract. Okay. Okay, ini ialah sedikit latih to be lah untuk kamu. Okay, tapi teacher dah sediakan juga jawapannya. Cuma teacher nak kamu gunakan kaedah yang teacher tunjukkan tadi, iaitu cara count back order. Okay, 13 minus 7 equals to 6. Maknanya kita ambil daripada number. Kalau 13, kita tak boleh count back dari 13. Kita count back daripada 12, daripada 12. Kita mula daripada 12, kita count back sampai berhenti dekat nombor 7. Kalau kamu sebenarnya boleh juga kamu gunakan your fingers. Boleh gunakan jari untuk count back. Okay, let we start to count back from 12 to 7. So, we start count back 13. Kemudian kita mula daripada 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, kamu tengok jari kamu. Kamu guna jari kamu untuk mengira. Okay, jadi bila kamu berhenti kat jari kamu dekat 7, berapa banyak jari yang kamu dah guna? Tu senang bahasa mudah dia lah. Kamu tengok. Bila kamu tengok, kamu guna mengira dengan jari, count back dengan jari kamu, kamu akan dapati you use 6 fingers. Kamu menggunakan 6 jari untuk yang kamu gunakan lah. Jadi 6 is the answer. Also same for the 11 minus 3. Okay, equals to 8. Kalau 11 tolak dengan 3, kira count back daripada 10. So 10 kamu kira sampai 3. Maksudnya kira sampai 3 tu 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, kemudian kamu tengok jari yang kamu guna tu. Berapa jari yang kamu telah gunakan untuk mengira count back tadi. Okay, ada 8 jari. Jadi 8 itulah jawapannya. Sama juga. 14 minus 9 equals to 5. 14. 14 tolak 9 sama dengan 5. Macam mana nak dapat 5? Tolakkan dengan cara count back. Kira secara terbalik. Mula dari number 13. Okay, number 13. So, kita kira lah. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, dan kamu akan dapat tengok jari yang kamu guna tu ialah sebanyak 5 jari. Inilah jawapannya. Okay. Okay, ini ialah latihan untuk kamu latih tubi supaya kamu mahir. Apa-apa number pun yang kamu kena jawab untuk melengkapkan number sentence of subtraction, kamu boleh dapatkan jawapannya dengan betul. Okay, teacher harap kamu dah boleh complete the number sentence, write the number sentence of subtraction, and I would like to say thank you, and I hope all of you can understand well the topics today. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.